Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, yeah, NANABOOZHOO, how you doing?
Hey, Sly. I didn't know it was going to be Sylvester Stallone, sweetie. Me either. I could have swore that was going to be Greta Thunberg. Yeah. Wow. Well, this is much cooler. How you doing, Rocky?
Hey, yo, you can call me Sly.
Oh, yeah. Sylvester Sly. How you doing, Sly? What can I do for you today?
Hey, yeah, I was watching your show, and I'm wondering if I can, I'd like to learn the Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh, sure. Hi, Sly.
Who's that there?
It's me. It's Natasha.
Hey, yo, Natasha, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Oh, so you want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day?
Hey, yeah, how do you say Monday in Ojibwe?
Well, again, if you had Michael's new book, you know, you know what it is. You could look it up. But since you're here, Monday in Ojibwe is Ishkwa Anama E Gijagud, after prayer day.
Ishkwa Anama E Gijagud, after prayer day. Is that because it's the day after Sunday? You know, is today called a Sunday the prayer day?
Yeah, Sunday in Ojibwe is known as prayer day.
Prayer day?
No, prayer day.
That's what I said.
Yeah, okay. But we say Ishkwa Anama E means prayer, and then Gija good means day.
Ishkwa Anama E Gija good, after prayer day.
Yep.
Monday. Hey, yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Wyndham, I'm happy.
Yeah, Neiman Wyndham, I'm happy. I'm happy because I could go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed, and I went the distance.
Yep, exactly. Just like how you felt when you went the distance with Apollo Creed. Oma means, here.
Oma, here. Yeah.
Yep. And then Noongum means today.
Noongum, today.
Yeah. You could also say I'm happy to be here today would be G-A-I-N. Lots of times that's what we sing around here. Or we say Neiman Wyndham G-A-I-N. Oma Noongum, I'm happy to be here today. But you can just say I'm happy here today. Hey, so Stallone, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
I can't clap my hands. I'm wearing these boxing gloves.
Oh, okay. He's wearing his boxing gloves, sweetie. You still wearing your boxing gloves, Sly?
Oh, yeah, you never know when I might need to go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed in the ring.
Yeah, just in case old Apollo Creed wants to go toe-to-toe. But anyway, there's a phrase of the day. Neiman Wyndham Oma Noongum.
Oh, yeah, that's really good. Hey, listen, NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah?
I'll tell you something you already know.
Oh, here we go, sweetie. Every time.
Life ain't all sunshine and roses.
Yes, so I hear.
And I don't care how tough you are. Me, you, ain't nobody gonna hit harder than life.
We know we do this every time you call.
What are you talking about?
You give me the same sort of inspirational speech about how it's not whether or not how tough you are, it's whether or not you can take the hits and keep moving forward.
Well, that's right. You gotta be able to take the hits and keep moving forward.
Yeah, because that's
how winning's done.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you. Yeah, I'm sure that's true.
So, yeah, I gotta tell you this from time to time, because I'm the Italian stallion, and, I gotta be an inspiration to you, Rocky. I just called you Rocky, that's my name.
Yeah.
NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah, you sure are. Every time I see that movie, I just want to drink some eggs and go for a run.
Oh, that's a good way to start your day. I always started my day with some raw eggs and I'd go for a run. You know what I didn't have for breakfast?
What didn't you have for breakfast?
I never ate Wheaties.
Really? How come?
Yeah, they call that the breakfast of champions. Well, you look at what happened to Bruce Jenner, and you tell me, is that the breakfast of champions, or is that the breakfast of something else?
Yeah, let's not get into it.
All right. Hey, how you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Sly. We say, I will see you again. Gi gawabamin minawa.
Gigawabamin, minawa, NANABOOZHOO.
Gigawabamin minawa, Sly.
Hey, yeah, you too, Natasha.
See ya.
Yeah, no forget about it.
Sylvester Stallone. Wow, big old movie star. Big old movie star. Yeah, he's not the only one who's called in. Who else have we had here? Keanu Reeves. He calls in. Keanu Reeves? Is that his name? Reeves? Keanu Reeves? Reeves? I don't know. Is it plural? I can't remember. But Keanu calls in. He always drags his girlfriend on. I know, I hate that. She always poops her pants. Yeah, she poops her pants. I don't know. Who else is called in? Well, you know, Kermit and Cookie Monster. Yeah, they're TV stars. Yeah.